So the coolest moment for me personally on this trip was getting out to one of the caves around Bimini, and we sat in the shallow shores and all of these stingrays came up to us, just dozens of them. They were surrounding our bodies. They were all over me. I was kind of freaking out at first, but it ended up being so cool. It was one of the coolest experiences I've ever had in my life.
So on one of these double ups, I was driving for Derek in this beautiful area. I think I got a little distracted by the scenery. I went a little too far in the channel before I made my turn, and it's really shallow up on the ridge, and unfortunately ended up beaching the boat. But luckily, you know, the Yamaha is a jet boat. We don't have props, we don't have all the typical things, so we're able to get the boat off the ground really easily with the crew working together, and that's the beauty of that boat, you know, that it's so versatile, so it allows us to be versatile, and we were back hitting double ups within 5 minutes of that happening, so thank goodness. After the barge, it had been a long day. We had done a lot. Me and my dad, though, are a bit of spearfishing fanatics, so we knew we wanted to try to hop in the water and shoot some fish for dinner. We made a quick little run, hopped in, and we were lucky enough, I mean, immediately, you know, we were covered up in fish. I shot a nice mutton, we put some other stuff on the table, filleted them, and we were heading to the big game club to have our catch cooked. So it was, you know, a great way to end the day, and, you know, fortunate that God smiled upon us with some great catch.